Okay, so here's something fascinating. Bring in a cube and then subdivide it. Then you got this point in the middle of the face, wherever. Then if you do, you can bevel edges with Control B, but you can also bevel vertices with Control Shift B. So that's cool, but that's not the thing. It's like the face in the middle. Control Shift V. Oh, sorry, Control Shift B, and that gives you a square. But if you want to get a circle, pff, oh no, it doesn't look like a circle. But press F9 or go down here. You can change the profile to be something like 0.80, something like that. And it's not perfect, it looks a little bit square, but that's fine. Because we can select this outer edge. You can just go to select, oh man, I have a hotkey for it. Select boundary loop. Then, with that selected, you can just right click, go to loop tools. Oh, you have to enable that add-on. So it's built in. Just type in loop tools. Loop. There it is. No space. So loop tools, check that. And then close that. Right click. Go to loop tools up here. And then press circle. And then you can see it kind of did a little bit of cleanup there. Yeah. So it cleaned that up. It's a perfect circle now. And then I can just oops. What the? That's weird. I'm trying to select the inner region, but it's not doing it right. Anyway, but then I can just delete these faces now. And look, it's a perfect circle. What? And I don't even know how I would do this normally. Here, boop. Stick this on with angle. Yeah, that's amazing to get cuts in like that. Super cool. I think normally I would do something like, how would I do it? I think I'd like generally put my 3D cursor here, make a circle, you know, turn down the radius a bit, then what else would I do? Flip it so then it's rotated in the X 90 degrees, pull that out a bit. Some ways you could go about it. You could make it its own object, so press P, separate, and then click that, and then click that, get into the view you want, which press 1 on the numpad, whatever, and then press edit with the cube selected as the active, so click the circle, then the cube, and then you can just hit mesh knife project, so that's one way you can do it, and hope that these match up, which they do in this case, thank goodness. That's one way I could do it, or I could like go down here. If these are the same objects, I'll just select both of those, press Ctrl J. Now that they're both in the same object, press E and then Y. So then it intersects like that. Then I can press this, select everything, just hit L, and then Ctrl F, then intersect knife. So then it cuts that. And then I can just press L on this circle and delete it. And now I just have this and hope that these match up right here, which they do. But if it was off, then you'd have a problem. Like if it was down just a little bit. And then I did that, I right click, oh no, Control F, intersect knife. And then I've got two, oh no. What do I do? Move these and then pull that up and snap it, whatever, yeah. Instead, you can just like subdivide it. Control Shift B, and it saved my settings from the last time I did that, which is awesome. Then, you know, segments, change the segments amount. Let's just do 12 and then delete all the faces there, or just extrude them in from, I don't want to do that yet. I just want to get the faces. Boom. Then just select all these. Right click, loop tools, circle. That just, I shouldn't say straightens up the circle. It completes and makes the circle perfect, and then just do your thing. Ooh my. Woo. Yeah. So, you know. Awesome. Wow. Anyway, there it is. One tip for you. Couldn't be bothered doing a GIF, so there's a video for you.